Welcome to my channel Travel Guide Boeing 747-8 vs Airbus A380neo. A comprehensive comparison. 1. Design philosophy. The Boeing 747-8, launched in 2012, is a stretched and modernized derivative of the 747-400, featuring a partial double-deck design with a distinctive upper deck hump. It balances passenger and cargo capabilities, leveraging the 747's legacy for versatility. The Airbus A380neo, a conceptual upgrade to the A380-800, was envisioned as a fully double-decked aircraft optimized for maximum passenger capacity, targeting hub and spoke operations at congested airports like Dubai and Heathrow. The A380neo aimed to improve efficiency while maintaining the A380's massive scale. 2. Size and dimensions. The 747-8 is the longest commercial airliner at 76.3 meters, surpassing the A380neo's projected length of 72.7 meters, same as the A380-800. However, the A380neo would retain the A380's wider wingspan of 79.8 meters compared to the 747-8's 68.4 meters, enabling better lift for its heavier frame. The A380neo's full double-deck design provides 550 square meters of cabin space, 40% more than the 747-8's 400 square meters, allowing for greater passenger volume. 3. Passenger capacity. In a typical 3-class configuration, the 747-8 seats around 410 to 425 passengers, with a maximum certified capacity of 605. The A380neo, like the A380-800, was projected to seat approximately 555 passengers in a 3-class setup, with a maximum of 853 to 868 in high-density configurations. The A380neo's larger capacity made it ideal for high-demand routes, while the 747-8 offered flexibility for airlines needing moderate capacity. 4. Range. Both aircraft were designed for long-haul routes, with the 747-8 and the proposed A380neo sharing a range of approximately 8,000 nautical miles, 14,800 kilometers. This parity allows both to serve intercontinental routes like New York to Hong Kong or London to Sydney. Older 747 variants had shorter ranges, but the 747-8's General Electric GEnx-2B67 engines matched the A380neo's projected capabilities with advanced Rolls-Royce Trent 900 Engine Alliance GP7200 engines. 5. Fuel efficiency. The 747-8 burns approximately 3.35 liters per 100 kilometers per seat, benefiting from modern engines and aerodynamic improvements. The A380neo was projected to achieve 2.82 to 2.65 liters per 100 kilometers per seat, a significant improvement over the A380-800's 3.27 liters, due to re-engineering and aerodynamic tweaks. The A380neo's higher passenger capacity would enhance per-seat efficiency on full flights, but the 747-8's lower capacity made it more efficient for less dense routes. 6. Operating costs. Boeing claimed the 747-8 was 2% cheaper per seat mile than the A380, with lower maintenance costs due to its derivative design and commonality with the 747-400 fleet. The A380neo aimed to reduce operating costs by 10 to 15% compared to the A380-800, but its high acquisition cost, estimated at $445.6 million versus $418.4 million for the 747-8, and infrastructure demands, e.g., specialized gates, made it less economical for many airlines. 7. Cargo capability. The 747-8 excels in cargo operations, with a dedicated freighter variant, 747-8F, offering 6,345 cubic feet of cargo space and nose-loading capability, ideal for oversized freight. The A380neo, like the A380-800, was not designed for freighter use, and plans for an A380F were cancelled due to limited interest and high conversion costs. The 747-8's cargo versatility gives it a significant edge. 8. Passenger comfort. The A380neo's spacious cabin, with 50% less noise, larger windows, and higher pressurization, equivalent to 5,000 feet altitude, promised superior comfort, especially in premium cabins with features like onboard lounges and showers. The 747-8, while comfortable, has a narrower cabin and older design, 17.2-inch seat width versus A380neo's 19-inch, making it less luxurious but still appealing for its unique upper deck experience, especially in first class. 9. Market success. The 747-8 saw 154 orders, 134 delivered, before passenger production ended in 2022, with the freighter variant remaining popular. The A380neo never entered production due to insufficient demand beyond Emirates, and the A380-800 program ended in 2021 with 251 deliveries. The shift toward twin-engine jets like the Boeing 787 and Airbus A350 sealed the fate of both quad jets, as airlines prioritized efficiency over capacity. 10. Legacy and future. The 747-8 carries the legacy of the 747, a 50-year icon that transformed aviation with 1,571 units built. Its freighter variant ensures continued relevance. The A380neo, as a concept, reflected Emirates' vision for high-capacity travel but failed to materialize due to market shifts. While the A380 redefined scale, its operational constraints limited its longevity compared to the 747-8's adaptability. Both aircraft symbolize an era of ambitious aviation, but the 747-8's cargo role gives it a longer operational future. Conclusion. The Boeing 747-8 and Airbus A380neo represent competing philosophies: versatility versus capacity. The 747-8's lower costs and cargo adaptability make it more practical, while the A380neo's superior passenger capacity and comfort suit high-density routes. Market trends favoring twinjets rendered both less viable, but the 747-8's freighter success ensures it outlasts the A380neo's unrealized potential. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.